First thing you want to do is take out this trim panel here. You just pull onto it and it'll come off. It's a little bit tough, so next you take the rubber seal off. Then you align the door seal here. I use the third dented hole as a marking to align it, but you can put it anywhere you feel like. Just make sure that you don't push the seal all the way in. You just want it flush against the bump here like this. You then clean the area really good. I use alcohol. Then take the backing of the 3M tape out and stick it on. This is how I'm going to position the wire. You should put a foam tape underneath to prevent the wire from breaking. I'll probably do that later because I don't have it right now with me. After that, you connect the whole wire together. And then you're gonna take this trim out right here. Just pull it out, loosen it up. You don't have to take the whole thing out. And then you're gonna thread the wire through it to the back of the car right there. And then you just kind of tuck it behind somewhere. I just kind of tuck it behind the carpet. Try to, put it all the way in the back. And then just follow the curve to the front there. I didn't want to thread it through the back. There's a hole in the back that you can thread it through using a wire, but I didn't want to do that, so I just put it right there. Just follow along the curve. Try to sneak it behind the carpet. And then you just kind of thread it through the other side of the trim piece right there. For the back, you just kind of pull the metal trim right there out, just loosen it up, and then thread the wire from the front to the back. Just kind of snug it through. And that's it. Just connect it to the door seal. Then just put all the trim pieces back, the rubber seals back. The plug that you're going to put the 6 pins connector into is near the fuse box under the driver's seat, circle in red. So the door seal will only light up when you open the door. If all doors are closed, the light will turn off by itself. It looks way better in person, trust me, and it's really bright too.